In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the mysterious and thrilling world of coyotes, the wild canids that roam North America. Known for their adaptability, intelligence, and incredible survival skills, coyotes have some truly astonishing traits that many people don't know about. Coyotes are native to North America, but have rapidly expanded their range across the entire continent. Their scientific name, Canis latrans, translates as barking dog because of their unique vocalizations. There are 19 recognized subspecies of coyotes, each adapted to different geographic regions. Coyotes are famous for their wide repertoire of vocal sounds, including howls, yips, barks, and growls. They can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour when chasing prey. Coyotes are capable of impressive jumps, up to 4 feet high, to catch prey or clear obstacles. Their adaptability allows them to live in deserts, forests, mountains, and even urban environments. Although primarily carnivorous, coyotes are omnivorous and will eat fruits, insects, and even human leftovers. They serve as important natural rodent controllers in many ecosystems. Coyotes help disperse seeds through their scat, indirectly supporting plant growth. They are excellent swimmers and can cross rivers and lakes when necessary. In urban areas, coyotes have learned to avoid heavy traffic by adjusting their activity patterns. Their sense of smell is so acute they can detect prey from miles away. Coyotes have been recorded following traffic signals in cities, suggesting they learn from urban routines. They are known to cache or hide surplus food for later consumption. Coyotes are monogamous and typically mate for life. Both parents share in rearing the young from feeding to protection. Coyote pups are born in dens that may be dug by the parents or repurposed from other animals' burrows. Newborn pups are blind and completely dependent on their mother's milk. Coyotes' eyes often reflect light at night, which enhances their nocturnal vision. They have excellent hearing and can pick up sounds at frequencies that humans cannot hear. Coyotes communicate complex messages with body language as well as vocalizations. They mark their territories with urine and scat to warn other coyotes. Coyotes exhibit hazing behaviors, raising their hackles and growling, when intruders enter their territory. They sometimes play with prey items, a behavior that helps young learn hunting techniques. In many Native American cultures, the coyote is portrayed as a clever trickster in folklore. Some tribes consider the coyote a teacher whose mistakes offer valuable lessons. Coyotes have been called prairie wolves because of their resemblance to wolves yet smaller size. They are also sometimes known as brush wolves or American jackals. Before European settlement, coyotes were largely confined to the western plains and deserts. After wolves were extirpated in many eastern areas, coyotes expanded eastward dramatically. In the east, coyotes have interbred with wolves to produce coy wolves, hybrids with unique traits. They can also hybridize with domestic dogs to create coy dogs, though this is rare in the wild. Coyotes vary in coat color from light gray to reddish brown, depending on their habitat. Their fur not only camouflages them, but also provides insulation in cold environments. Unlike wolves, coyotes carry their tail downward when moving, a key field mark. Their paw prints are more elongated than those of domestic dogs, helping experts identify them. Coyotes have a flexible social organization, ranging from solitary individuals to loose family packs. When food is plentiful, they may forage alone. When it's scarce, they may work together. Even solitary coyotes are highly intelligent and capable of complex problem-solving. Urban coyotes have learned to live close to humans without becoming aggressive. They often use green spaces, such as parks and golf courses, as refuge within cities. Coyotes are rarely a direct threat to people, but can become problematic if habituated to human food. They are opportunistic feeders that adjust their diets to seasonal and local food availability. In some cities, they have learned to open simple latches or doors to access food sources. Their vocalizations can serve as both long-distance contact calls and local warning signals. Coyotes have been documented using stealth and ambush techniques when hunting larger prey. They sometimes hunt cooperatively in pairs, especially when targeting prey too large for one animal alone. Coyotes can run for long distances without tiring, making them excellent endurance hunters. Their ability to survive in a wide range of habitats is partly due to their behavioral flexibility. Coyotes are capable of living on minimal resources, even in degraded or fragmented landscapes. They are known to scavenge efficiently, cleaning up carcasses and organic waste. Coyotes have been observed responding to human cues, such as following a person's gaze. They often avoid direct confrontation with humans by shifting their activity to nighttime. Coyotes can change their home range quickly if conditions change, such as urban development. Their reproductive rate is high enough to compensate for losses due to human conflict. A single coyote can have a territory spanning several square miles in rural areas. In urban settings, their territories may shrink but remain sufficient for survival. Coyotes play a critical role in controlling mesopredator populations, which can benefit smaller prey species. Their diet can include unexpected items like carrion from roadkill or even leftover fast food scraps. Coyotes have been known to follow the same routes every day, indicating strong spatial memory. They use a combination of visual, auditory, and olfactory cues to navigate and hunt. Coyotes' ability to learn from experience has allowed them to thrive in human-dominated landscapes. They sometimes mimic other animals' calls to confuse prey or competitors. Coyotes have been seen scavenging in suburban neighborhoods at dawn or dusk. Their adaptability is a key factor in their survival amid rapid environmental changes. Coyotes are a popular subject for wildlife documentaries, highlighting their resourcefulness. They have been observed to exploit seasonal changes, for example, preying on deer in winter and small mammals in summer. Coyotes sometimes alter their hunting strategy based on the type of prey available. They are known to store food in hidden caches for later consumption. Coyotes can work together with other species, for example, sometimes following badgers to dig out prey. They have been recorded watching each other during hunts, suggesting a degree of coordinated behavior. Coyotes exhibit a surprisingly high tolerance for human presence when undisturbed. Their adaptability extends to coping with diseases and parasites common among wild canids. In areas with heavy human activity, coyotes become more nocturnal to avoid contact. They are sometimes called ghosts of the suburbs because of their elusive nature in urban areas. Coyotes can be highly vocal, with a single howl sometimes triggering responses from others miles away. Their howls are used to reunite scattered family members after hunts or for territorial defense. Coyotes can produce a chorus of howls when several individuals join in together. Their vocalizations have inspired musicians and artists, making the coyote a cultural icon. In Native American lore, the coyote is often seen as both a creator and a mischievous trickster. Some legends say that the coyote brought fire to humanity, highlighting its role as a cultural hero. Coyotes are featured in countless stories, songs, and artworks across North America. Despite negative stereotypes, many biologists admire the coyote for its ingenuity and survival skills. They have been the subject of genetic studies that reveal surprising levels of hybridization with wolves and dogs. The eastern coyote's hybrid status has led to unique physical and behavioral traits not seen in western coyotes. Coyotes sometimes have play fights that help young learn social boundaries and hunting techniques. Their curious and exploratory nature can sometimes lead them into unusual places, like shopping centers or apartment complexes. Coyotes have been filmed investigating human objects, showing a keen sense of curiosity. They are able to adjust their hunting times based on weather conditions and human activity levels. Coyotes sometimes freeze in place when they sense danger, relying on camouflage to remain unseen. Their dynamic social structure means that individuals can switch between solitary and group living depending on circumstances. Coyotes are an important study subject in urban ecology, offering insights into how wildlife adapts to city life. Recent research has even documented coyotes hunting marine prey, such as harbor seal pups along the California coast. In coastal areas, coyotes have been observed decapitating seal pups, targeting the brain for its nutritional value. Their opportunistic feeding habits have led to unexpected dietary shifts, such as consuming human-origin foods in cities. Coyotes can sometimes be found using human-made structures for shelter, including abandoned buildings and culverts. They are surprisingly resilient to the challenges posed by urban life, including noise, light, and traffic. Coyotes' flexible diet and social behavior have allowed them to coexist with larger predators like mountain lions and even wolves. Their continuous ability to surprise researchers, from hunting marine mammals to adapting to metropolitan life, underscores why coyotes are one of North America's most fascinating and successful predators. We hope you enjoyed these amazing and surprising animal facts. The animal kingdom is full of wonders, and there's always more to discover. If you love this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Stay tuned for more incredible facts. See you in the next video.